silences, waiting for the rain to transform these silences into shadows. But December doesn't forget.